Hey y'all, welcome back to another video. I'm about to do some cleaning, a little bit of meal prep just to get ready for the rest of the week.
I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. Still with the dogs that I grew beside. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, TT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and they die. Gotta watch the time, cause it's flying right by. I just caught a shorty off a Finsta. Just the one on hoodie, it's a crenshaw. Way that I've been living unconventional. I'm just trying to make it to the end, you know. Certain things have started getting pissed off. Think we need to have a sun adventure. I could be a man, but maybe down the road. Right now I would rather see my heart turn to chrome. Rather see my heart turn crystal. I can't even front like I don't miss you. Right now I'm just stuck inside the crib on my own. Soon as I free up, I'm about to pop up on your phone. Like I'm outside in an AMG, right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me.
Even though I'm moving around, it had got a little too cold. I had to put my snuggly on.
I'm outside in it.
Right outside, PT, two-turn baby girl, you know me. All the niggas round me, right and die. Gotta watch your time, cause it's flying right by. Two-turn baby girl, you know me. Yeah.
So I'm just making some food for the rest of the week. Today is Tuesday, by the way. So today I'm making something for dinner tonight, and then for the rest of the week, I just decided to make some chicken cutlets, some veggies, and I had a sweet potato left, so I ended up making that. Also, as y'all know, I do the Weight Watchers program, and when you bake your chicken, it's 0 points. The veggies, of course, is 0 points. Steamed shrimp is 0 points. My sweet potato It's 2 points, but I normally do a half a potato each meal, so it turns into 1 point.
This one I gotta do with the jabata. Me, I no get time for the jabata. Dada cover my face, calling me jabata. Biggie man, we know you get jabata. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelton, ride the whip. I know feet, die for nothing. What's it come? G-Wagon, all the Benz, the Kelton, ride the whip.
Soak those veggies, y'all.
Make you no say anything when you do them must go.
I've said this before, I use 0 to no salt for seasonings. Besides this one, I just use a tad bit of this just to give the water a little flavor. And I use the same seasonings I used for my chicken.
So anything we do, I try to teach one. Plenty so far we be face. Just to make sure money day. But my people then go say I know one time, I know one time, I know one time. I want enjoy, I want your life.
Baby, them things smelling good. Nice and flavorful.
I want build house, I still want to know. Tell me, what's it come? G-Wagon.
Do not come for my chicken. My mother always laughed and said it looked light skinned, but I'm telling y'all see those seasonings? It's nice and juicy. It's really, really good. Last minute, I threw in, I had like 4 or 5 shrimp left. I threw them in a pan. And this is it for the rest of the week. And if you made it this far, I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.